Hello students, in this video we are going to prepare statement of profit and loss account of bank account. The question is given, prepare profit and loss account of Canara Bank for the year ended 31st March 2024. So we need to prepare profit and loss account of Canara Bank for the year ended 31st March 2024. Interest received 2000, other income 1000, interest paid 1200, other expenses 800, provisions and contingency 500, profit 1000. With this information, you are supposed to prepare profit and loss account of Canara Bank. Before entering into the problem, I am just writing the format of statement of profit and loss account. It has a 4 headings. The first one is income, second one is expenditure, third one is a profit or loss account, fourth one is appropriation. First I write the format, then I substitute the values into the format. We convert this format into statement of profit and loss account. Interest earned, schedule number 13. Other income, schedule number 14. We have to total, you will be getting total income, it is denoted as A. Then Roman letter 2, expenditure, it has 3 subheading. One is interest expended, that is schedule number 15. Operating expenses, that is schedule number 16. The last one, provisions and contingencies, it is no schedule number. We have to total, you will be getting total expenses, that is denoted as B. Then Roman letter 3, profit or loss, net profit A minus B. A refers to total income, B refers to total expenses, A minus B. Then profit brought down. If profit is, if it is given in question, we need to bring it here. Then we have to total, there is no heading, it is called as a C. The moment you found the total of C, the same should be entered here for D. Then appropriation, Roman letter 4, 25% statutory reserve. It should be calculated from net profit. Then transfer to any other reserve if, and transfer to proposed dividend. Very rare cases you will be getting transfer to any other reserve and proposed dividend. The last one is profit carried down to balance sheet. This is the balancing figure. This is the format. I repeat the format once again. It has a 4 heading. The first heading is income, the second heading is expenditure, the third heading is profit or loss, the last heading is appropriation. So schedule number 13 to 16 deals with profit and loss account. Then what about 1 to 12? 1 to 12 deals with balance sheet. So Roman letter 1, it has 2 heading. A, interest earned, that is schedule number 13. Second one, other income, schedule number 14. We need to add 13 and 14, we will be getting total income, that it is denoted as A. Then Roman letter 2, expenditure, it has 3 subdivision. The first one is interest expended, schedule number 15. The next one, operating expenses, schedule number 16. the last heading provisions and contingency, no schedule number. So we have to add 15 plus 16 plus provisions and contingency. You will be getting total expenses, that is denoted as B. Then Roman letter 3, profit or loss. We have to calculate net profit. How will you calculate net profit? Usually income minus expenses. The same thing we have to follow here. The total income is A, total expenses is B. So net profit equal to A minus B. Then profit brought down. If it is given in the question, we need to bring it here. Then we have to add, we will be getting C. The total of C and the total of D must be same. Then Roman letter 4, appropriation, 25% statutory reserve. That should be calculated compulsorily. Statutory is nothing but a legal requirement. Remember that always all the reserve should be calculated only from the net profit. Then transfer to any other reserve. If it is given in the question, we need to transfer to proposed dividend if it is given in the question. Otherwise, we have to ignore transfer to other reserve and proposed dividend. Then already we got the total of D. So from the D total, if you deduct the statutory reserve, you will be getting profit carried on to balance sheet. Now we are going to substitute the values. We are going to prepare statement of profit and loss account of Canara Bank for the year ending 31st March 2024. So interest received is nothing but interest earned. So schedule number 13, 2000. Then other income is given 1000. When you add, you are getting 3000. So the total income, that is A, is 3000. Then interest paid 1200. It should come under the schedule 15. That is interest expended 1200. Then other expenses 800, that come under the schedule number 16, operating expenses 800. Then provisions and contingencies 500. Now we have to total, so you are getting 2500. Now total expenses is 2500. Now go for the third one, profit or loss. Net profit is A minus B. A is 3000. So 3000 minus B is 2500. So you are getting 500. Then profit is given in the question 1000. So when you add, you are getting 1500. The moment you got the total of 3, so C, the same should be entered for the total of D, 1500. Then 25% of statutory reserve. It is a legal requirement. We need to calculate compulsorily from net profit. Net profit here is 500. So 500 into 25%. You will be getting 125. There is no any other reserve, no proposed dividend. So profit carried down to balance sheet. What is the total? 1500. From the total, if you deduct 125, you will be getting profit carried down to balance sheet. So 1375. This is the profit carried down to balance sheet, 1375. It is important part C problem from the semester examination point of view. All the very best. Thank you.